Hi all, I am Avinash and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, The Divine Spark. In this video, we will be discussing about our existence. Our existence is indeed a mystery. We are born into it, we live and then die. It is very much likely that at some point of time in our lives, we would have thought about our existence and wondered, what is it all about? No wonder our efforts led us to science and faith for the answers. Science and faith have provided us with some answers indeed, and yet there is no one universally accepted answer for all the questions regarding our existence. Sometimes the answers are logical, and other times just driven by blind acceptance and a product of fear. Here, we will try to understand our existence as it is, in a raw and at a very basic level, and proceed further from there. We will try to reason this out and see if we can find some logical explanation to it. What do we see in our existence at a very basic and fundamental level? Yes, the first thing we notice is that the universe is vast. This vast universe has multitude of galaxies, stars and planets. We also see that there is a certain definite behavior or design exhibited by these diverse objects. The moon's duration of movement around the earth is definite, and similarly the earth's duration of the movement around the sun. The diverse beings on our planet too have behavior or design specific to their own species. For example, humans are designed to walk on earth, birds to fly, fish to swim in water, etc. Some species are egg laying and others are mammals. A particular seed sprouts and grows into that particular plant or tree only. One cannot expect mangoes by planting lemon seeds. These behaviors or designs are not limited to animate beings alone. Even inanimate objects exhibit specific designs or behaviors. The boiling point of most liquids are different from one another. The melting point of most metals are different from one another. Two atoms of hydrogen, when combined with one atom of oxygen, the result is water. Graphite and diamond both are carbon, but only difference is in how they share their electrons. Even the inanimate, dull objects too, we see that there is a specific design and behaviors unique to them. Now, what is behind these specific design or behavior patterns in both animate and inanimate beings? The question to be asked here is, can behavior or design be possible without an intelligent principle behind it? Think over. How can the universe exhibit specific behaviors or designs without intelligence? Design itself is an indication that there is intelligence that is underlying reason for all the objects in the creation, be it animate or inanimate, to exhibit specific behaviors. Hence, both animate and inanimate are alike with respect to this reasoning. Think over. Can existence be possible without intelligence? Can this universe function without intelligence? Is the universe dumb? If you are still with me on this, I assume you agree that intelligence is everywhere. From in tiny atoms to mighty oceans, from a tiny insect to giant whales. If so, what is the nature of this intelligence? Is it same or different among different objects? For different objects mean different intelligence, isn't it? Stay with me while I reveal it to you in my next video. Further, what else do we see? We see objects, gross objects of matter. In all those multitude beings of creation, both animate and inanimate, we see matter. Matter which has taken up some form, be it animal, plant, ocean, or mountains. We had earlier discussed the design and intelligence aspect of these objects, but here we will discuss another important aspect of the objects. All objects of matter function with energy. Matter is gross and bound together by this energy. It is impossible to imagine matter without energy. In fact, it would not be incorrect to say that the gross form of energy is matter. Energy is within and an underlying substance of matter. Even in any object which is at rest, the electrons and protons are moving within with high speeds. Where there is motion, there is energy. Hence, energy is an undeniable truth of our existence, and of course, objects are quite evident. As matter is found everywhere in creation, energy too is everywhere in creation. To conclude, this universe can be seen as intelligence, energy, and matter. Kindly take a poll by clicking the link in the description. I shall share the results of the poll with everyone when I get sufficient entries in my next video. In our next video, we shall try to know more about the intelligence, energy, and matter. Thank you.